Yo, what's up, guys? Stocks are absolutely tanking right now, and this is not good. I'm actually really worried about tomorrow. The markets are actually so volatile, and the stock market is falling off so fast that Robinhood literally just disabled their 24-hour market. And let's look at a very safe stock like Microsoft. This is just a random stock we'll look at. They're actually down 1.66% in just the overnight market. So that doesn't include after hours. So this is after 8 p.m. And if we look, they were already down 1.87% today. Now they're down 1.66. So Microsoft is now under $400. But that's Microsoft. We can look at something very volatile like In-Phase Energy. They're down 7.47%. Wow, that's actually crazy. That this little Israel warfare just sent the stock market tanking. I wonder what the futures are looking like. I know oil is up and gold is up. Let's actually look at that ticker symbol GLD. This is the actual spot price of gold. And look at this in the overnight market. It's up 1.37%. If we zoom out, let's look at the 5-year chart. Look, so gold is basically at an all-time high. If we compare it back to then, it's it's not up like crazy from the 2011, 2012 price, but still gold is literally at an all-time high, or at least ticker symbol GLD. So, that's a fear asset. Let's actually check ticker symbol TLT, which is a bond. Oh, wow. So the bond prices, so the value of the bond is going up, but the yields get lower. So that's people going into these safe haven assets. I guess they're selling off the SPY and or let's just check at the actual QQQ. Why does it keep doing that? So let's look at the QQQ. They're down 1.27% overnight. Well, actually, good news right now. The market is recovering. Maybe they're seeing that. Maybe this is just an overreaction because, wow, that's actually a crazy drop. But yeah, let me show you how my portfolio did today. We're actually up 1.57%, but if we scroll out to the past month, for example, we're down 7.85%. But our year-to-date return is pretty good with the SPY. Actually, we have a 12.69% year-to-date return. I want to see what the SPY is. I don't know if we're outperforming the SPY. So the SPY's year-to-date return is oh wow, so we're actually more than double the SPY's year-to-date return. If you're wondering why that is, well, I'll show you the actual stocks that I have here in my portfolio. And hey, don't forget to drop a like on the video because I feel I'm one of the few YouTubers that show you every stock that I own, how much I'm up, how much I'm down on every stock. And these are the 4 stocks I own here in my stock portfolio. And a lot of the gains are thanks to ticker symbol POWL. We're up 60% on our shares. But I want to show you why now might actually be a good time to buy the stock. So look at this. If we scroll back to the past month, the stock is actually down 16%. And if we go to like the 1 year, so we actually bought our shares at $79, and here it is right now at $126. So hey, maybe right now could be a good time to buy this stock, and I'm actually going to go dig into their financials just in case you're curious about this stock. All right, so here is Powell Industries, and unfortunately we broke this little wedge right here, but that's whatever because I think we're going to not break this $121 level. If we do break the $121 level on Powell Industries, that will be a little bit concerning, but I want to show you why this company is just making so much money. Like, look at their net income growth. If we compare this to 2019, on a good quarter in 2019, they made $5 million. Now they made $24 million just in the most recent quarter. And a lot of that is actually thanks to high interest rates. So look at all this free cash flow that they're making. The free cash flow is actually $1 million less. They have very small capex. I'll show you that later. But this is basically their free cash flow that they're making. And what are they doing with all this free cash flow? They're keeping it in cash and they're milking high interest rates. So let me literally show you that. So this company actually has zero long-term debt. So this company is debt-free, literally zero debt. And look at how much cash they have, $321 million. And that goes up about how much free cash flow they're getting. So they have the most amount of cash they've ever had. And guess what? If we go to their interest expense, instead of paying interest expenses, they're actually making interest from their cash, and $4 million in 1 quarter. And I think this will be a lot more next quarter. And that's straight to the bottom line, straight to the free cash flow, straight to the net income, because they didn't have to do any work to get this free cash flow of $4 million. And remember, $4 million on a stock that has a market cap of $1.53 billion. And look at the net income. So look, $8 million. So look at this 2023 Q2. $8 million is the same as an EPS as 69 cents. So half of that. So if they make 4 million, that's basically 30 cents in EPS. Oh yeah, and this company pays a growing dividend, and their dividend literally only cost $3.12 million. So if you ask me, they're just doing great. So Tesla was down 3.62% on the day, and after this, they closed at 148. Now they're at 144. Good thing they've recovered over the past couple of minutes, but man, this stock has not done good. But we'll get to see their earnings in 4 days. I didn't realize Tesla reported earnings so soon. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to drop a like on the video. I'd really appreciate it. And subscribe if you're new. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one.